Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to be doing some Christmas pop art nails. Now this video was actually recorded last year. I know that pop art nails are like no longer in style, but I recorded this video last year when it was, and I thought that I lost some of the footage, but apparently I didn't. I went ahead and found it, so that's why I'm uploading it today. So as you guys can see, I am applying my favorite primer. I'm applying 2 coats. So I already went ahead and applied the tips. If you guys want a detailed video on me like filing, shaping, and everything, like the prep and everything, I will link them down below. But we're doing the application process. I'm just going to be applying regular clear acrylic because I am going to be polishing over these nails. I'm going to be using some gel polish, so that's why I'm just using clear acrylic. I'm not using a cover or a nude or a color acrylic, just using clear acrylic. Alright, so this is what the nails are looking like after I have applied the acrylic, and this is what the nails are looking like after I have filed, shaped, and buffed. So now it is time for us to go ahead and start polishing. So I originally couldn't decide on what colors I wanted to do because these are kind of like some highlighter colors that I purchased from Amazon, but I decided to go with the green and the red. It kind of looks a little bit pinkish on camera, but off camera it is red. You guys will see. So yeah, I decided to go with those 2 colors, hence that's why I'm uploading this around Christmas time, because those are Christmas colors. So I went ahead and applied 2 coats. Now I didn't actually show me applying the second coat. I'm sorry. That footage I actually lost, so my bad. But I did apply 2 coats of this, curing in between each coat, and I will come back to y'all when it is time for me to actually do like the design. So as you guys can see, I've already started on the pinky. That is apparently another footage that I thought I had, but apparently I lost it. So now I'm just taking some black gel polish and one of my nail art brushes, and I'm just going around the nail, like outlining the nail. And this is real time, you guys, so you guys will see how slow I am going, how slow I am outlining this nail, how slow I am doing this design. Yeah, I just want to make sure that the actual lining is straight and there's no mishaps. Alright y'all, so this is another clip that I lost. You guys see the little black L shape design at the tip of the nail. That footage I lost as well, but I basically went ahead and did like a little L-shaped design, but not really connecting it. So one vertical line and then one horizontal line just at the corner of the tip of the nail. So pretty simple, pretty easy, but not connecting them. So now I'm just taking some white gel polish and another nail art brush, and I'm just kind of like curving like along where the cuticle area is, but not like the whole cuticle area, just on that upper my right hand corner of the nail. And I'm just doing a curve, and then I will take a dotting tool and just kind of like dot the end of that curved line. Alright, so I'm going to be doing the same exact thing on the other side. However, this side is going to be a little bit smaller. It's going to be like a miniature version of the white curved dotted design. The only difference is that it's not going to be white. It's going to be a little bit of like a smoked out version of the actual color of the nail. So I'm mixing green with a little bit of black, just a tiny dot of black, and some clear gel polish, or like a clear base. to give it like that smoked out effect. I still want it to be noticeable, but I really can't explain it, guys. Yeah, you guys can see it, but it's not like black. It's kind of like a grayish, greenish, smoked out effect. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then I did the same thing to the red nail. Okay, so I went ahead and cured that, and these are how the nails are looking like, shiny, but I didn't want them to be shiny. I decided that I wanted to go ahead and add some matte top coat. So that's what I'm doing here. I just added some matte top coat, and that was it. After I cured, I went ahead and filed a little bit just to clean up the shape a little bit off camera. And that's it, y'all. These are what the nails are looking like. Let me know what you guys think. I think that these were pretty simple. And I just decided to upload it this Christmas season because it just goes with the Christmas theme. So again, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. And always remember, of course, to stay beautiful. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye.